Hi friends, today we discuss about OD stock removal cycle on turning mission, on turning CNC mission. Now we are going to learn about stock removal cycle for below profile. So here a small profile. So this is the reference line and this is the reference point. All points are measured from this point. This point is also known as origin point, and this profile is contained so many radius and so many chamfers are there. So we go. So before going to do operation, OD stock removal operation, we must know about what is stock removal cycle. Stock removal cycle is used when raw material, that means cylindrical component, is taken and it to convert into desired profile like this profile. So we go to generate a profile, and this is the Siemens controller 828D software, numeric 828D software, and click on it. And if you want to delete the previous mission, you can delete it and click on new button to generate a new mission, and select a 828D basic lathe with driven tool. It is the CNC turning mission, and this is the description about CNC turning mission. So click finish. The mission will be generated. So to start the mission, you will click on start button or mouse right button to start the mission. The mission will be started. So this is the mission, and it is known as human interface. Before going to do OD stock removal cycle, we must check the reference points. So that is the reference symbols. This is the spindle speeds. You can observe on human interface it is changing, and this is the feed of the tool, and on these two buttons. And to generate the profile, we must give the programming. So three types of programmings. In OD stock removal cycle, we must give a subprogram file, and two types of programs, main program and subprogram. We take subprogram file as India. So profile of the given diagram. So G01 is the cutting motion, and X0 Z0 is the origin point. In diagram, the origin point of the diagram is, so this is the origin point, and this is the x-axis and x-axis direction, and this is the z-axis. This is the origin point, and next is the linear motion. Linear motion is G01 indicated with G01. Next point is G01 X20 and Z0, and the next point is radius with 5. So it is in anti-clockwise direction. So we mention G03. G03 X30 Z minus 5. So this radius have 5, so CR is equal to 5. CR is circle radius. So next one is linear motion. Linear motion is indicated with G01, so we mentioned G01 and X30 Z minus 26 for the dimensions, according to dimensions. So next one is also have a radius with 4, so we mention G02, and it is in clockwise direction. So X38 and Z minus 30, and this radius have 4, so circle radius is equal to 4. Previous radius have 5, so CR is equal to 5. So next point is linear motion, and that linear motion is calculated on calculator with help of calculator. we can check on the calculator whether it is have a linear distance or not. It will be calculated. Some time to taken for this. So after calculations we conclude that G01, X44 and Z minus 30, I think. So next step is, let's see the diagram, and next step is a chamfer is 3 into 45 degrees. So this chamfer is mentioned. Chamfer is also known as linear motion. So linear motion we indicated with G01. So we mentioned G01 and X50, Z minus 33. So next point is also a linear motion, and G01 is also. Next X50, Z minus 47, and next point is also a radius with 3. So it is in clockwise direction, so mention G02 and X56 and Z minus 50 and CR is equal to 3 because the radius is with 3. So next one is a chamfer. No, it's not a chamfer. We check if the linear distance is here or not. It is also calculated in calculator with help of calculator. It is calculating. It will take some time. So we conclude that it is not have a linear dimensions. And next I have chamfer, and chamfer for G01 and X60 and CHF is the chamfer. Chamfer distance is 2, so we mention chamfer distance is 2. So next point is linear distance. For the linear distance we have G01 and X60 and Z minus 67, and next have a radius with 3, and it is in clockwise direction, so G02 is mentioned. So X66 and Z minus 70 and CR is equal to 3. And next point is also a linear direction. So linear direction we have G01 and X90, Z minus 75. So next is the chamfer, a chamfer with 5 into 45 degrees. So a chamfer is a linear motion, so G01 and X100, ANG is equal to 135. So ANG is the angle. Here the mention 45 degrees. The 45 degrees plus 180 degrees is considered. So 135, A angle is equal to 135. So next one is G01 motion, that means linear motion. So G01 X100, Z minus 105. So this is the subprogram. And next the M17 is the ending of the subprogram file. So this is the subprogram file of this profile. We created subprogram file. And next one is main program file. For the main program file we named as China, and China is the name of the MPF. MPF means main program file. For the main program file, header is compulsory. So next one is safety codes. Safety codes is G18. G18 means ZX plane. In turning mission, ZX plane is taken. Only ZX plane is taken. So next one is G54, G64, G71, G90, G95 is all are the safety codes. Next one is G75 X0 Z0. This is indicate the homing position of the tool, and offset is used for creating the new tools or generate the new tools. So we want a roughing tool for the given profile with third edge position. Select the third edge position of the roughing tool and click OK, and new tool was occur. So -100 and -100 for dimensions, and radius is an important role in cutting tool. So radius is around 0.8. Okay, the tool is created, and go to program and select tool. Click on the select tool and select the roughing tool we created last. So click OK. The tool will be generated, and D1 is the and M06 is the tool change at homing position, and G96 is the constant cutting speed of the spindle. And as we whatever we want, I want S is equal to 1000 and limits is equal to 1500, and 1500 means revolution per minute. So M03 or M04 is clockwise of or anti-clockwise of spindle motion. M03 is the clockwise motion of the spindle. And next one is safety points. Safety points is tool is do not touch the workpiece. So safety points as G00, X0, Z1, and next one is coolant before on touching the workpiece. So M08 indicates the coolant on. Next one is approach points. Approach points means tool is touching the workpiece. So G01 is the cutting motion. So G01, X0, Z0 is the touching position or approach position of the tool. And we already created a subprogram, and counter call is the calling of subprogram, and we created a India, so we call the India subprogram. So this is the stock removal process, it is the subprogram. And next one is stock removal cycle. For the main program, stock removal cycle is there. So stock removal and program is the India, we created subprogram, and feed rate is 0.3. This is the symbol of machining, means roughing or finishing, and feed rate FS means feed rate 0.2, and longitudinal or phase or counter parallel. So the material is being cut. OD stock removal means outside material is removed, so we keep outside. And UX is finishing allowance, that 0.2, and UZ is also a finishing allowance, it is also 0.2. So XZ and ZD is not considerable, so click accept. And M30 is the ending of the main program file, and click on simulate. We must not program at feed rate. Feed rate is very major role of programming, so we give F0.3 as a feed rate. So simulate, and and next one is removal material is very important, mention about material, and there is a semicolon. It is the major case. If you do not mention the semicolon, the error will occur. Next one is blank. So we take cylinder, and XA is the diameter of the cylinder, 100 is the diameter of the cylinder, and Z1 is the total workpiece consider with clamping. So it is minus 150, and outer part of the workpiece is ZB. So ZB is nearly 110. So click OK and click simulate, and this is the process of OD stock removal cycle. You can see clearly the simulation will occur. So this is the different views. This is a front view, this is the off sectional view, this is a 3D view. So many views are there. So this is the process of OD stock removal cycle. This is the profile. Okay, last one is footer of the main program file. Footer of the main program file is G75 X0 Z0. That means tool at homing position, tool turn path. So M05 is the spindle stop, M09 is the coolant stop. So M30 is the end of the main program file. So this is the procedure of simulation of OD stock removal cycle in lathe CNC machine. So this is the process. Thank you for watching.